Another day, another story. Birds have evolved a wide range of adaptations that enable them to thrive and survive on Earth. These adaptations have allowed birds to occupy various habitats and ecosystems, from the freezing Arctic to the scorching deserts and lush rainforests. Here are some key features and behaviors that contribute to their survival. Feathers. Feathers are one of the most distinctive features of birds. They serve multiple functions, such as providing insulation, aiding in flight, and displaying for courtship. Feathers also help birds maintain their body temperature by trapping air and providing a layer of insulation. Hollow bones. Birds have lightweight, hollow bones that reduce their overall body weight, making it easier for them to fly. This adaptation is crucial for birds that rely on flight as their primary mode of transportation. Beaks and feet. Birds have a wide variety of beak shapes and sizes, each adapted to their specific diet and feeding behavior. Some birds have powerful beaks for cracking nuts or tearing flesh, while others have long, slender beaks for probing into flowers for nectar. Similarly, bird feet can vary greatly, from webbed feet for swimming to strong talons for catching prey. Efficient respiratory system. Birds have a highly efficient respiratory system that allows them to extract a high amount of oxygen from the air, even at high altitudes. This is essential for birds that engage in high-energy activities like flying. Migration. Many bird species are known for their long-distance migrations, where they travel thousands of kilometers between their breeding and wintering grounds. This behavior helps them find better food sources and escape harsh weather conditions. Adaptation to various diets. Birds have evolved to eat a wide range of foods, including seeds, fruits, insects, fish, and even other birds or small mammals. Their ability to adapt their diet to the available resources in their environment enhances their survival chances. Nests and nesting behaviors. Birds build nests to protect their eggs and young from predators and harsh weather. Nests can vary greatly in size and construction, from simple scrapes on the ground to elaborate structures built in trees or cliffs. Social behaviors. Many bird species exhibit complex social behaviors, such as flocking or cooperative breeding. These behaviors can provide protection from predators and increase the chances of finding food. Camouflage and mimicry. Some bird species have evolved to blend in with their surroundings, making them less visible to predators or prey. Additionally, certain birds can mimic the calls of other species to deceive predators or rivals. Intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Birds, particularly some species like crows and parrots, have shown remarkable problem-solving abilities and tool use. These cognitive skills help them adapt to changing environments and find new food sources. Overall, the diverse range of adaptations exhibited by birds has allowed them to become one of the most successful and widespread groups of animals on Earth. Thanks for watching.